Why do you think I've been asking for a drill? Why are you taking it back out? It's going to be too far.
No, it ain't. The curtain rod ain't that far out.
You will have, Joey, it goes right there. Why don't you just get the drill like I asked?
The drill, I've not got a drill. The only drill I've got is a cordless drill, and the battery's dead. So I got the battery charging. If you want it right there, we'll just wait on it. Well, you got it that far, why don't you just get a smaller screw?
This is the screw that goes with it. Why are you taking that one out? It's the same length.
Go,
Oh, you're making my head hurt.